Hi everyone, it's Nancy Bastine and I'm back again today with number 3 of our mixed media morsels. I got it right today from Cat Hand. And what we are going to do today is our little alcohol testing thing. So I have my light paints I'm going to paint on here. I have my alcohol in this little tray. There's a little bit of alcohol in there. I have my little, my little thing here. I probably need a little brush, so I'll get another brush just in case for the alcohol. And we're going to put a dark paint, but we're going to put 2 light paints on first. And we're just going to paint our page. You want light paints on first. And you kind of want them cohesive, you know, so you don't make mud. And I'm using, I haven't used these. These are the Deco Art chalk paints. I thought I'd try these. They have some really pretty colors in these. Ooh, I got a paint booger. Alright, I'm just gonna kind of paint these around. Probably got too much. Don't need much for these little books, these little pages. I'm gonna kind of swirl that. Ooh, that's a booger. That's nasty. I'm gonna get rid of that. Alright, now I'm going to dry that off. I'll be right back. Okay, for this next step, we're going to use the darker color, and I'm going to put it in this tray and put some, you want it watered down quite a bit. You have to do this kind of fast. Before your paint dries, and I want to make sure that my page is cooled off enough that this paint is going to stay wet long enough. Oh, and it's not even open yet. Show you how I open up my paints. I'll take my little craft knife and I just slice that yeah. And it usually pops right open. There we go. Now I can't tell you what these chalk paints are named quite differently. This one's called Legacy. The yellow was called Delicious, Delicate, and the green was called Refreshing. So I'm gonna put a, whoa, I just wanted a little drop and it exploded. I'll clean that up later. And my little spray bottle, I'm gonna spray some water on it. Yeah, I know you can't see, but I'm right here. I'm gonna spray some water. You want it pretty thin. And if it's too thick, you need to put a little more water in it. Okay, you gotta work fast. Okay, then you get your alcohol on your brush, and watch this. Is that cool or what? I'm going to suck some up into this. Just drop it, see what happens. Oh, see, it's starting to get dry now. It won't work. But how cool is that for a background? Can you see that? It looks like cells, you know, on a petri tray, a cell. Let's try it up. I think that looks pretty cool. Look at that. Now if you want, you can do another layer, but make sure you put light down first and then another dark layer. But I don't want to do another layer because I like this and I think that's cute the way it is. I like it. So I'm not gonna try to ruin it. I like it just the way it is. So there you go, guys. Thanks for watching and commenting and following me and subscribing. I've got a few new subscribers and I'm so grateful for the new ones that have found my channel. So please share, and if you like the video, thumbs up, and of course comment, and I'll be back with the next one when she does the next. When Miss Cat Hand does the next one, I will be back to show you. Thanks, guys. Bye-bye. Hi, guys. I just wanted to come back on and show you that I put some Dura Clear Gloss Varnish from Americana Deco Arts. And I put that on here, and I just wanted to show you what it looks like. Now that it's varnished, I'll hold it still so you can see it, maybe. That's what it looks like. Those chalk paints are really chalky, and so I wanted it to shine. But I'm having problems, and I remember now that people told me about decoupaging pages, that they will get sticky, and I noticed that this page was sticking to this page. This is the second one I did with the white, and it wasn't dry yesterday to show you all. I don't think I had even done it when I did this page, but I did it with the blues and light blues with the shrink wrap, saran wrap, and I like this one better. For some reason I like that one better than I do this one. But I don't know, it's a cool technique. But I put Mod Podge decoupage. I put decoupage on this. What I was gluing it down with, I put on, sealed it with that, and it stuck to this page. So I'm remembering now that it does that. So I'm hoping when this page dries that this won't stick anymore. If so, I'm going to have to wax it. Which I have some wax and I can do that. And I probably should go ahead and do that. And this page is dry and I can wax it also. So, there you go. There's my page. And I'm loving it. Alright, thanks guys. That's all. Bye-bye.